Did you know that thousands of years ago there lived a young boy so special that even the stars bowed down to him in a dream? This is the amazing story of Hazrat Yousaf, peace be upon him, a prophet of Allah whose life teaches us about patience, trust, and hope. Hazrat Yousaf was the son of Hazrat Yaqub, peace be upon him, a great prophet who loved him dearly. One morning, young Yousaf ran to his father with eyes wide open and said, "Father, I saw 11 stars and the sun and the moon. They were all bowing down to me." His father smiled and said gently, "My dear son, this is a great sign from Allah, but keep this dream secret, or your brothers may become jealous." But jealousy is a powerful feeling. Yousaf had 10 older brothers, and they could see how much their father loved him. "Why does father love Yousaf more than us?" they whispered to each other. Their jealousy grew and grew, until one day they made a terrible plan. They took young Yousaf out to the desert and threw him deep into a dark, cold well. They brought back his shirt covered in false blood and told their father a wolf had eaten him. Poor Hazrat Yaqub wept and wept. But Allah had a bigger plan. A caravan of travelers was passing through the desert. One man lowered his bucket into the well, and out came Yousaf. They were amazed. They took him all the way to Egypt and sold him as a slave to a powerful man named Aziz. In Egypt, Yousaf grew up to be wise, honest, and kind, but life was not easy. He faced many tests and was even thrown into prison for something he did not do. Yet he never lost hope in Allah. He kept praying, he kept being good. And then one day, the king of Egypt had a very strange dream. He saw 7 fat cows eaten by 7 thin cows and 7 green wheat plants replaced by 7 dry ones. No one could explain it. Someone remembered Yousaf, who was known for understanding dreams. Yousaf was brought before the king and explained, "Egypt will have 7 years of plenty, followed by 7 years of famine. Store your food wisely." The king was so impressed that he made Yousaf the minister of Egypt, in charge of all the food and treasure. From a boy thrown in a well to the most powerful man in Egypt, only Allah can write a story like that. When the great famine came, people from all lands came to Egypt for food, including Yousaf's own brothers. They did not recognize him, but Yousaf recognized them, and instead of revenge, he chose forgiveness. He revealed himself and said, "I am Yousaf, your brother. Allah has been good to us." His father Hazrat Yaqub, who had cried for years and lost his sight from grief, came to Egypt, and when Yousaf's shirt touched his eyes, his sight was restored. The whole family was reunited at last. So what can we learn, dear children? Even when life feels unfair, even when you are scared or alone in the dark, never lose hope. Trust in Allah's plan. Be patient, be kind, and be honest. Because just like Hazrat Yousaf, peace be upon him, your best days may still be ahead.